I just finished all 3 courses.
And I'm really glad I made this course.
Hi, I'm Marta, Rusolut Sales Manager. At Rusolut, we host regular on-site and online group trainings throughout the year. We have developed 3 original comprehensive courses to give you profound understanding of visual NAND reconstructor and unlock its high-powered features. The first one is Startup Course. This foundational training is perfect for engineers at any level looking to enter chip-of-data recovery world, explore its fundamental functions, and learn how to solve regular cases.
I just finished all 3 courses. Each course was better than the last. Very satisfied with the course and language and the teachers. I'm looking forward to using the information that I learned back in my office.
The next one is our new 5-day flagship training, Flash Data Recovery and Digital Forensics Expert. In this course, you will become a true expert and gain a full range of essential skills in the field, including hands-on practice with chip preparation and physical dump extraction. Most importantly, you will learn how to unleash the full potential of visual NAND reconstructor to solve the most complex and modern cases, such as SanDisk, FC, Phison, Silicon Motion, and more. The third course is a special Monolith Pinout discovery training, dedicated to those of you who want to perform Pinout analysis and data extraction from monolithic devices. You will work with Logic Analyzer, learn the NAND interface, and adopt the best soldering practices. After this course, no Pinout will be unknown or challenging for you.
At first I was overwhelmed by all the information because there is so much options and settings and information in the VNR program. But once you get to start the advanced training, you kind of realize how a memory chip works and how it all comes together. And the organization was perfect, the teachers are perfect, and I'm really glad I made this course.
Whether you are just beginning or looking to improve your data recovery skills, seize the opportunity to take full advantage of VNR and get maximum results from your daily work. Sign up for Rusolut trainings and accelerate your journey in the world of data recovery.
Hi, I have participated in this training too. I haven't found it really useful because I've learned nothing new.